The comparison between the Indian Air Force and the Pakistan Air Force often starts with broad, high-level metrics. Global rankings are a useful, if general, starting point. According to 2025 Global Firepower, India ranks 4th, Pakistan ranks 12th. India holds the 4th position globally, reflecting multi-domain resources. Pakistan is 12th, formidable but smaller in scale and scope. These indices weigh manpower, financial depth, logistics, and total inventory. India benefits from population, industry, budget, logistics, air and naval power, and resources. Pakistan's edges include strategic geography and land power doctrine. India is the larger power. Pakistan structures to counter asymmetrically. Do numerical advantages always translate to battlefield supremacy? Can a smaller, focused Air Force outsmart a larger adversary through tech and tactics? We move from numbers to quality, technology, disputed 2025 outcomes, and future force projections. On paper, the Indian Air Force holds substantial numerical superiority over the Pakistan Air Force. Publicly available data consistently shows India's inventory higher. As of early 2025, the IAF fields roughly 2,300 aircraft, with around 135,000 active personnel. It ranks as the world's 4th largest air force. The PAF fields about 1,434 aircraft and roughly 70,000 active personnel. India's larger defense budget and 2 front requirements drive the gap. In fighters alone, estimates show about 616 for India versus 387 for Pakistan. Squadrons translate those numbers into operational units, roughly 31 versus 18 to 25. This advantage expands geographic coverage, sortie rates, and depth. But composition and modernity matter as much as raw totals. IAF high-end, Dassault Rafale, a leading 4.5 generation multi-role. It brings sensor fusion and advanced electronic warfare, flexible air-to-air and air-to-ground loadouts, including Meteor. Su-30 MKI forms the IAF backbone, super maneuverable with high payload. PAF modernization centers on the J-10CE Vigorous Dragon, and the cost-effective JF-17 Block 3 with high-end avionics. Rafale and J-10CE both chase BVR dominance with modern avionics. They're capable in close-in combat but optimized for beyond visual range fights. Rafale's edge lies in EW and Meteor. J-10CE pairs AESA with long-range PL-15E. JF-17 may not match Rafale or Su-30 MKI one-on-one, but it threatens legacy types. Pakistan seeks qualitative parity in key tech over quantitative equality. Goal: create a credible threat to deny air superiority in local sectors. Modern aerial warfare favors those who see and shoot first. That comes down to radar and beyond visual range missiles. AESA radars scan faster, track more targets, and resist jamming better. Result: superior situational awareness at range. PAF's J-10CE fields a sophisticated ESA radar. JF-17 Block 3 integrates the KLJ-7A ESA. PAF officials claim this delivers a first-look, first-shot advantage. They pair ESA with PL-15E, a very long-range missile. Estimates put effective engagement beyond 150 kilometers. Standoff shots can occur well before a visual merge. IAF counters with Rafale, AESA, and Meteor's large no-escape zone. India is upgrading Su-30 MKI with AESA and rolling Astra across platforms. A May 2025 air confrontation partially tested these claims. Both air forces flew sorties and skirmished along the border. Afterward, a fog of war obscured clear outcomes. Pakistani sources claimed downings of Rafale, Su-30 MKI, and MiG-29. They also claimed a JF-17 strike on an S-400 at Adampur using CM-400 AKG. India's MEAA and MOD strongly refuted these claims. Officials stated no IAF aircraft were lost and S-400s remain secure. Independent analysts highlighted conflicting narratives and disinformation. Many circulated visuals were archival, game footage, or unverifiable. Without wreckage or independent satellite proof, claims remain uncertain. What's clear, both sides fielded their most advanced assets. Firm performance judgments from May 2025 must be treated with caution. Looking ahead, the long-term balance hinges on force structure timelines. Analysts warn IAF fighter squadrons could dip to around 25 by 2035. Aging platforms are retiring faster than replacements arrive. A lower squadron count strains a two-front posture against PAF and PLAF. India is pushing Tejas Mk1A, planning Mk2, and developing the AMCA. Timely deliveries are critical to arrest squadron decline. Delays widen gaps between retirements and inductions. Pakistan leans on China to keep a modern, smaller but current force. Continued JF-17 Block 3 production anchors growth. Potential future additions include stealth designs like the FC-31. Focus remains on AESA sensors and long-range munitions. Aim, maximize combat power per aircraft to deter and deny. Can the PAF outsmart the IAF? The answer is nuanced. Data shows distinct advantages on each side. India holds clear quantitative superiority and strategic depth. It can sustain high-tempo, wide-area campaigns. Pakistan pursues intelligent asymmetry, quality tech over fleet size. First look, first shot tactics can level local fights, but conflicting 2025 claims resist definitive judgments. Outcomes hinge on training, command and control, EW, and uncertainty. The balance is dynamic. India's transitions versus Pakistan's targeted upgrades. Superiority depends less on inventories and more on strategy, doctrine, and adaptation under fire.